Good day, Miss Anne. So, for today, I will be discussing the nursing informatics in healthcare. So, first, nursing benefits is the nursing informatics benefits and influences in IT system. So, as a nurse, our responsibilities is to graph above the nursing informatics expert and also to invest a bit of their energy by assisting with creating carry out and enhance modernized patients' data framework. So, if there makes a clinical and specialized informations and experience that makes them ideal contacts between the clinical and special networks in any case that the nursing informatics experts are qualified and have shown to be essential the improvement of predominant medical services in IT system. So lastly, this benefits is expert is our nursing foundations or the goal is to join the scenario, the imaginable profound skill in clinical considerations, assessing by nurture informatics with figuring out the necessities and stress of the clinical work process. So the second nursing benefits is nursing informatics leverages evidences. So it will base the clinical best practices that the benefits of this is to investigating clinical nursing uh, beyond that encounters a lot of trackings down proof to demonstrating with clinical practices are ideal. So it will affecting the plan of nurses to clinical frameworks that the goal of this is and also the purpose is to help the advanced best proof based practices and the work processes. The third nursing benefits is nursing informatics that generates stronger nurse training in clinical IT systems. So the nursing informatics experts are appropriate to show different and how to get the full advantages that must nurses help plan that make those vary that framework. So in many cases, there are many reasons from the nursing care that the designs of each computerized structures and each grouping of when making the sense of on that background is the connections the points of clinical frameworks that the language is effectively perceived by the attendant. So the fourth nursing informatics is leverages IT investment. So as a nurse, so it will incorporate patients considerations framework like electronic clinical records framework corresponds innovations by securing and informing frameworks and examinations tool that it will apply progress investigation system to that models. The fifth nursing benefits is nursing informatics that contribute unique wisdom to in that clinical care that is acquired only through a deep understanding of both clinical practice and data analysis. So and equality by a mandate by light of working understanding security by diminishing recognize the which is the key regions where studies let us know the issues um, well take those factors and distinguish how and where in the framework we owe the cautions of medical caretakers that this is the potential by warning and give components of the arrangement to on that nursing informatics. So the six nursing benefits of nursing informatics it enriches the involving healthcare by delivery system. So it means nurturing expert guaranteeing these new choices are valuable to the two patients and the clinicians. So by regarding that, so the corresponding innovations is involving like smartphones. So it will change and it will help the manner in which corresponding is nursing happens are nurturing informatics expert are to help the plan and carrying the telehealth frameworks as well as preparing their medical caretakers in how on how best utilize the framework. And lastly, the last benefits is last nursing informatics that involve improve patient's care, patient safety, and also the outcomes. So it will just initial six advantages of nursing informatics that further developing consideration well-being and the results for the patient. So the medical caretaker informatics is to continue reassemble and also to enrich the patients and their families by effective electronic well-being that to record the frameworks by using of clinical accepted use preparing of different attendance examinations. So it will base the models of the instructions to support for the smartphones and the innovation. So that's all. Thank you.